Hi everyone, welcome back to another MOC Build. In this video, I will be building an orange right triangle. For this one, I will show you a math problem on an orange right triangle. If you need help, please look at a formula in the comments section. I hope you will enjoy this. If the height of this right triangle is 8 blocks tall and 8 blocks wide, what is an hypotenuse for this one? Write down your answer to this mathematical question in the comments section. I hope you can solve this. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to see what I post on my YouTube channel, and share with your friends and family. Bye everyone, I'll see you in the next video.